Hi everyone, welcome back to the Linux Lighthouse. I know no one has time for anything, least of all managing containers. So let's make this quick. Before we continue, big shout out to X0RZ15T for your continued generous support to the channel. Your contributions mean the world to me. Thank you for being such an awesome part of this community. First, if you are on Tumbleweed or Leap, make sure your system is up to date. Refresh your system repositories and then run Zypper distribution upgrade. If you are on macOS, Kalpa or Aeon, Podman is installed by default. Then run Zypper install Podman to get Podman installed on your system. Once the installation done, make sure that Podman socket service is enabled and active. Alright, let's hit the basics. You want to manage images? Simple. First use Podman images to list all your local container images. This will list all images you have locally. Tags, IDs, creation times, sizes, you name it. Need to remove an image? No problem. Use Podman RMI for remove image. And if you are in a hurry, slap the -F flag to force it. And that's it. Gone. You want to see the history of an image? Just run Podman history. If you built an image and tagged it locally and want to push it to a remote registry, use Podman push. Simple. Need to log in to a container registry? Use Podman login. Don't forget the Podman logout when you are done. To pull an image from a registry, just Podman pull. Want to search for images? Podman search is your friend. Let's talk about building images. Podman build lets you create an image from a Docker file or a container file. Just add a tag and go. Need to tag your image? Use Podman tag. Running containers? Use Podman run. It is as easy as this. Stopping and starting containers. Podman stop and Podman start. To list your running containers, just use Podman ps-a. Need to execute a command inside a running container? Podman exec to the rescue. Want to check container logs? Use Podman logs. To monitor resource usage, Podman stats shows you everything you need. Need metadata? Podman inspect gives you the details. Want to see the processes running in a container? Podman top. Need to mount a container's file system in rootless mode? First use Podman unshare, then Podman mount. To unmount the file system mounted before, use Podman unmount. To export the container's file system to a tar file, use Podman export. Import a tar file to create a container image with Podman import. Waiting for a container to stop, use Podman wait. To remove a container, use Podman rm. To see Podman's version, use Podman version. Finally, get detailed info on your Podman setup with Podman info. To wrap things up, Podman provides better security since it doesn't require a root daemon. Plus, it integrates smoothly with systemd for easy container management. And that's it for Podman in a flash. You have got all the essential commands right here to make your container management faster, easier, and more secure. If you are ready to dive deeper, make sure to hit like and subscribe. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments, and I will get back to you fast. Until next time, stay efficient, and thanks for watching.